gents, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. When you hear the word rotation, what do you think of? If you're a sports fan, you might think of the rotation on a basketball as it leaves the shooter's hand and goes out into the air and starts its trajectory towards the basket. The rotation is usually this way. Or you might think of bowling when you release the ball and it starts cruising down the lane. It'll take a rotation like this, actually like this, on a bit of an angle towards that head pin. Which pin is that? The 9 pin, the 10 pin, the 1 pin, whichever one it is. I haven't bowled in a long time, so I can't tell you. You guys could tell me. If you're a baseball fan, you may think of the starting rotation of pitchers on a baseball team. So every 5th day, the same pitcher will pitch, and they work their way through the season that way, unless someone gets injured or whatnot. Then they switch it up. Sometimes they only go with 4, but usually it's 5. If you're a wet shaver, rotation means something completely different. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That was my rotation for the previous week. And you can see I'll be starting a new week. So it's time to mix it up a little bit. You may just shave with the same razor every day. That's cool. If you like to do that, that's fine. If you like variety, they say variety is the spice of life. If you like to switch things up, like I do, I'm always trying something different. You will use a different razor every day of the week if you're shaving every day. I'm curious to hear how you do it. Do you have a rotation of razors, a different razor every day of the week? Do you switch it up? Some people use 3 razors, 2, 1. Do you use the same razor every single day? Let me know. Straight razor, safety razor, shavette, whatever. Let's hear about it. Comment down below. And I read all the comments, so I'll see it and I'll comment back. Rotation. Just another word that's bandied about in the wet shaving industry. You may have heard it and thought, what does that mean? Are they talking about baseball, basketball, bowling? Nope. Talking about wet shaving and the razors you use throughout the course of a week. So let's hear yours. Comment below. I'll check them out and I'll respond. Do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Also, hit that like button and leave a nice comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I'm out. See you next time. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.